Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
First pregnant, then abandoned. The tragic story of a young woman. She's sitting in the middle of the street and cannot move. She looks apathetically at the baby lying in front of her. The 17-year-old has just given birth. In the middle of the street, surrounded by dirt and dust. Her story's tragic. When she becomes pregnant, her family rejects her. The reason? The father is not her husband. For months, the pregnant woman lives begging and starving on the street, and has her baby there. Nobody seems to be interested in the girl. But then a pedestrian becomes aware of them. See in the video the reaction of passers-by, which is worth imitating. A 17-year-old Indian woman who was abandoned by her family after becoming pregnant gave birth along a road in Chandil, a city in the eastern Indian state of Jharkhand, local media reported. In a video posted on the internet, the young woman appears crouched with her baby while cars and motorcycles pass her without stopping to help her. In the heartbreaking images, you can see the newborn's umbilical cord, wrapped in her mother's dress, still remains attached to the girl. The Dainik Jagran, the most widely read newspaper in India, points out that no doctor or nurse from the medical center near the place of delivery came to help the girl, despite the fact that the residents of the city had warned them of what was happening, almost on the threshold of the center door. I was in a miserable state. She was shaking and was unable to pick up and hold her baby. Heavy vehicles passed, but she didn't have the strength to pull over, recalls resident Prakash Sharma, according to the Hindustan Times. Several neighbors managed to set up barricades around the young woman so that she would not be run over by cars and went to the medical center to transfer her baby. However, the doctors refused to send her an ambulance. Finally, the young woman received medical attention after residents took her to the center on a motorized tricycle. According to the media, the girl lived with her widowed mother, who expelled her from home after becoming pregnant. The Indian girl explained that she was in love with a man, who cut off his relationship with her after knowing she was pregnant. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.